Today I will be showing you a traditional and very popular recipe from Bengal, which is a region in the eastern part of India. Hey everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. And today we will be making Aloo Jhinge Posto, where aloo is potato and jhinge is ridge gourd. Okay, what is ridge gourd, you must be thinking? It looks like this, with ridges on them, hence the name ridge gourd. So this is known as ridge gourd in English. And in Hindi it is known as turai, Bengali it is known as jhinge. So it's known as ridge gourd because you see these ridges running all across. And in India we get smaller varieties of these, but here at the Asian supermarkets I usually find these. They are huge, long like this. So in order to fit in my grocery bag, I have to break them half, or else they don't fit in my grocery bag. Now when you go to buy a ridge gourd, try to see that these ridges are quite prominent. If you see the ridges are not prominent and it's looking more or less plain all along the surface, then it won't be good. Then the seeds will be big. See, the seeds are not that big here. You can't see the seeds here. But if you see a rather very smooth surface with these ridges not that distinguished looking, then don't take those. These ridges should be prominent all along, and then you will know that you are buying a good ridge gourd. Peel them along the ridges first and then peel the rest of the vegetable. As you can see, the seeds are very small, so this ridge gourd will be really very tender. Next comes the potatoes. Cut them about the same size as the ridge gourd. And now coming to the star of the show, the white poppy seeds, also known as posto in Bengali and khash khash in Hindi. You will get this at any Indian store, and I think you will also get it online. I soaked the seeds in hot water for about an hour. After that, drain out all that water through a fine mesh strainer and be careful not to lose any of these tiny seeds, as poppy seeds are very expensive. Then put them in a blender along with half a teaspoon of salt and green chilli, which is totally optional, along with a few tablespoons of water, and blend it to a fairly smooth paste. Do not blend it too fine, nor do you want the paste to be too coarse. And please do not add too much water to start with, because then it will be very hard to blend them. The paste should be looking like this. Now comes the easiest part of the recipe. Pan over medium heat with 3 tablespoons of oil. I added a dried bay leaf along with a teaspoon of kalo jeera or kalonji in Hindi, that is nigella seeds. Many people even add Bengali 5 spices, that is panch foron. But I always add nigella seeds because that's what my ma always does. Potatoes go in. Fry the potatoes for about 4 to 5 minutes on medium-high heat and then add the ridge gourd. Fry the ridge gourd for about 5 to 6 minutes and then add salt. Cover on till the potatoes and ridge gourd start getting tender. From time to time, give a stir. You will see a lot of water coming out from the ridge gourd, and everything will get cooked in this water. I even added 2 red chillies. Okay guys, the potatoes have turned soft and so has the ridge gourd. Now we will be adding the poppy seed paste, and I forgot to turn on the camera while adding the paste. But it was poppy seed paste only that I added, along with the rinsed out blender jar goodness. I promise. I added a sprinkle of sugar. Now turn the heat of your stove to high and fry everything along with the poppy seed paste. Fry till you get this kind of consistency. This goes best with white rice along with a special type of dal commonly called as bulid dal in Bengali, that is made with urad dal, ginger and fennel seed powder. Please let me know in the comment section if you would like to see that recipe as well. Bye bye.